Hi, I'm Derek Vogel. I'm the founder and CEO of Credit Absolute. I want to talk to you about our FCRA credit program. FCRA actually stands for Fair Credit Reporting Act. It was passed in 1971, and it specifically states that the information on your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and has to be reported timely. Well, the good news is I have an attorney. It doesn't cost anything to work with them. And what they do is they primarily focus on FCRA violations. Some of the most common ones are going to be like duplicate reporting, or you paid off a debt and the debt doesn't update. The reason that you want to utilize the attorney is because they're going to sue the creditor and the credit bureaus for damages. And the best part is you'll end up getting compensated for errors on your credit report. Click the link below, schedule a consultation so we can identify if this is a true violation for you, and we'll get you over to our attorney. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to reviewing your credit with you.